Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Yes, it is audible. Yeah. Yesterday, some network problem is occurred. Maybe that's why in the middle of the class it will be stopping only. Now, observe here. Concentrate here. Today, very important class. Yesterday class actually that is a null value. Those all the things. Today you are understandable. Concentrate today up to end of the class. Very important. Suppose here yesterday what I am telling logical operator and we are starting only write a query to display those employees. Display the employees whose clerks belongs to 20th department from EMP table. I'm asking. In that case, how you are writing the what query? Very easy only. Just observe it here. Filter the data from the table. I'm telling only. Filter the data based on the first condition or not. Yes, here. Very easy. How you are writing a what? Those type of simple query means observe it here. This is a table is there. Select a star from EMP. Okay, fine. Select star from EMP like this. Now here, just check it out. First, we are retrieving a what clerks. Select star from EMP where job is equal to clerk. No, yeah. But 4 clerks are displayed. But some clerks are belongs to where 20th department. Some clerks are belongs to where 10th department. Some clerks are belongs to where 30th department. Suppose only clerks belongs to 20th department only I want. That's why I want to filter the data in a first where condition. Whatever data is there, that data I want to filter again. Then we go for AND operator. Up to this one we are discussing a what yesterday. How can I? Yes, AND is a logical operator we are using. Yes, whatever relation condition is there, department number is equal to 20. Relational operator condition we are using or not? Yes, here like this. Up to this one we are discussing a what yesterday. Fastly write it that query. Already yesterday we are discussing this one. Write it. Select star from EMP where job is equal to clerk and the department number is equal to 20. Maybe next week onwards, so 5 to 7 o'clock we are taking more time we are spending. That's better. Whenever we are combining the classes means more time we are spending. This much of 1 hour means not sufficient. That's the problem. Completed a fast. Next, write it R operator. R operator. R operator. R operator means everyone knows, no? That is also a display record. Already I'm telling or not? Yes, that is also display record. Either first condition true or second condition true, otherwise second condition false also. That record is retrieved or not? Yes, any one condition true also that record is retrieved. Yes, write it fastly. R operator displays a record. R operator displays a record. Yesterday we are telling no record. Displays a record if either first condition or second condition is true. Either first condition or second condition is true. Suppose in a previous class I am telling only select star from EMP where job is equal to clerk. Now here R operator in a condition department number is equal to 20, otherwise salary is greater than 2000, anything also possible. But in this case what happened? Job is equal to clerk, that 4 clerks also displayed. But who are the employees are getting a more than 2000 salary other than clerks? Maybe manager, maybe salesman, maybe analyst. That is also retrieve the data. Every condition also retrieve the data from the table. That's why here one condition failure, another condition successful also. More data it will be retrieved or not? Yes, here. Suppose how it will be working, everyone knows. First, job is equal to clerk. Yes, true. Now here, yes, salary is greater than 900 is greater than 2000, false. This is false, this is true also, this is retrieved. Again, job is equal to clerk, salesman is equal to clerk, false. but 1600, this is false. Both the things false means rejected. Here salesman, and now your job is equal to salesman, salesman is equal to clerk, false. 1250 is a false. This is also rejected. Here manager is equal to clerk, false, but 2975 it will be retrieved because one condition is true or not. Yes, like that. Write it example. Now how they are giving a what ANSI ISO SQL diagram for this one means concentrate here. This one fastly write it. Example write it. This one. Shall I start from EMP where job is equal to clerk or salary is greater than 2000. But how it is working easily understandable purpose. ANSI ISO SQL simple diagram only. Suppose this is a table is there. Okay, fine. Here so many number of rows are there. Okay, fine. Now first condition job is equal to clerk data it will be retrieved. So now the job is equal to clerk data it will be retrieved from the table. Okay, from the table only job is equal to clerk is a data it will be retrieved. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Again, yes, the salary is greater than 2000, not from this data. No, yes, from the salary is greater than 2000 means from the table only it will be retrieved, not from the clerk only. Okay, na? Yeah, so now everyone knows. Here, this data, here salary is greater than 2000. That's why each and every time data is retrieved from table. Okay, simple, not a result set. Okay, yeah. So now write it fastly, draw this diagram. Each and every condition is executed from the table, not a result. Draw this diagram fast. Completed. Completed. Very good. Now, but unfortunately, slowly observe here. Yesterday, what I am telling, different columns are there. Here, job is there. Here, salary is there. In a different columns means always programmer maybe either AND operator, maybe either OR operator based on the type of situation they are using only. Both the conditions are true that record in a where AND operator. In a one condition true also that record is retrieved in a where OR operator. That is everyone knows. But unfortunately different. Now totally different. Observe here. Suppose this is a table is there. Anybody attending yesterday class means observe here. Single column job is equal to clerk I want. Again, same job, same column, job is equal to salesman I want. Same column, yes, job is equal to manager I want. In that case, compulsory, we are using a what? A logical operator, or only. Whenever single column, multiple different values you want to retrieve from a same column, then we must use OR operator. AND operator is not working in that case, impossible. Suppose here same column, suppose here observe here, select a star from EMP where job is equal to clerk only. Okay, na clerk. Yes, here in a previous classes AND operator I'm using. Here again job is equal to salesman I'm writing only. It won't work. Why? Because here you are observing or not, same column, because condition also not true. Here job is a column. Here same column, multiple values, different values, multiple clerk and salesman like this. Multiple different values I want to retrieve from the same column and operator is failure, impossible. Now here, yes, here impossible. In that case, we must use a what? Must use a what? OR operator. Whenever same column we are using in a where clause and multiple different values you want to retrieve, then we go for OR operator. Yes, salesman and clerks are displayed or not? Yes, here. Suppose managers also I want to display means how can I? Just here. Again, we are using a what? or job is equal to which one? Manager, like this only. That's why same column, multiple different values you want to retrieve, then we go for which one? OR operator. Same column, clerk, manager, salesman. Same column, number of different values you want to retrieve by using a equality operator, then we must use a logical operator or not a AND operator. Very, 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 very important. This is blindly you have to remember it because this one very regularly used concept in a way database projects. Right? Write a note. Write a note. Note write it. Note write it. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, if you want to, if you want to retrieve, if you want to retrieve multiple values from same column by using equality operator. Equality means is equal to, by using equality operator, then we must use logical operator or. This is a rule only, very easy. Logical operator or. Or write a query fastly, write it query. These are very easy. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. To display the. Write a query to display the employees whose job is clerk or salesman or manager from EMP table. Very easy, no? Write it fastly, but capital letter write it down. This manager, salesman, and clerk, that is there in a where capital letter in a table. Write this query. Write a query to display the employees whose job is clerk or salesman or manager from EMP table. Simple. Everyone underline it. This one only. Job is equal to underline, because same column, no, multiple different. Underline everyone. Job is equal to. Okay. Yeah. Next, another query. Write it fast. This is the last query. Then we are starting important concept today. Special operator almost very important. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to. Very easy. Who are belongs to. 20 comma 20 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90 departments from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to 20 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90 departments from EMP table. This query nobody mistaken. Why? Because observe here, concentrate here. Suppose here this is a what, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, something they are asking only. But unfortunately, how you are writing the query, simple techniques already I am telling you. The data is available. Which column you have to check it out. That is the first good programmer only. Now observe here. 20 is available anywhere. Which column? Yes, department number. 30 is available in which column? Department number. That's why same column, multiple values you want to retrieve. Then we are using a what? AND operator or OR operator? OR operator. Very good. So many fellows are 20 and 30 means 20 and 30 means just psychologically, and maybe said statement only that will be there. That's why human person thinking what, yes, 20 and 30 means AND operator they are thinking. That is absolutely wrong one. In a database, rows wise execution. That's why a single column, multiple values I want to retrieve. Then we go for which one? OR operator. Suppose here, now check it out. How can I select star from EMP So now nobody mistaken this one. Where department number is equal to 20. Here or department number is equal to 30, like this only. Observe here. Yes, multiple values 20 and 30 is there or not? Suppose you are a good programmer means just here or we are writing, but unfortunately you are a first time newcomer and we are writing, it won't work. It won't work. No row selected. Dangerous mechanism. That's why always we are using a what? Which operator? Same column, multiple values means we are using a what? Or operator. Or department number is equal to 30. Or department number is equal to 50 they are asking. Or department number is equal to 70 they are asking. Or department number is equal to 90. But 50, 70, 90 is not available also working. And now here, yes, simple. Write it fast. By this query we are giving means in a future we are changing this data. Some people are asking in a single where condition and or operator, yes, that is also possible in a databases. But first condition result based only, last condition is working. Okay, na? And is first executed or is next executed. Very good. Those type of queries also sub queries after side we are writing. Very good. But first normally okay, using only better without confusing and or simple individual. Otherwise, first time learner confusing only that one, this one priority. Completed, now onwards, very important. Actually, up to now, that easy, really very easy concept. Within 2 minutes only that concept. But first time newcomer purpose or so slowly practice purpose, non-technical person purpose, they are telling about each and everything like that. Now, most powerful. Actually, operators giving a training in a where project side, otherwise pressure level in a company side, I'm observing only special operators only they are telling. Why? Because operator through only we are learning about so many concepts. Special operator only important in a very databases. Very important. That's why up to now special operators we are not telling. That is the most powerful, but not a Oracle side. In every database also same. That is today we are learning only most powerful concept. Now here concentrate here. That purpose only we are learning about and or. Why? Because that internally null value based only today concept is available. And now here check it out. Concentrate here. Now special operators. Write it. Not I am not telling why, because special operators through regularly we are using. Regularly how they are using through that one only you are writing, we are learning means then you never mistaken in a project side also. Special operator. So many fellows are bookish knowledge, how they are telling, oh, not is the operator is there. Yes, select the star from EMP where not a salary. Now here, yes, is equal to 3,500 working. Okay, so now that is everyone knows. But those type of things not using in a project side. Where we are using means today special operators through they are writing only. Now here special operators. Now very important. Now what are the special operators are there? Special operators are only used in a where class. What are the special operators are there in every database means only 4 special operators are there. Absolutely. Very important. Today we are learning about that one. What are the special operator? First special operator through today, NVL, those all the things we are learning. What is the first special operator? In is a special operator. Opposite is what? Not a space in. Is a special operator. Opposite also regularly they are using in a project side, not space between. Now is space null is a special operator. Space is there. Is space null is a special operator. Opposite is what? Is not null. These are regular. Again, another one, fourth is very important. Like is a special operator. Opposite is what? Not like. Every special operator also important. Like especially. And in and not in through null values. That is most powerful today we are learning. Write it. Fastly write it this one. two sides write it like this: in not in better, between not between better, is not null better, like not like. Why? Because not is operator regularly we are using through the special operators in a real time project side. That's why we are telling like that, not like a normal operator. Draw this one. In draw this one, opposite side not in, write it. Two sides write it in your books also, same thing, better. In not in, between not between, is space null, is space not space null, like opposite is what? Not like. Okay na? Now check it out. First one, in operator. In right. Now observe it here. Suppose in means very easy. Actually, in a PLSQL, you are writing a trigger, for example. Saturday, Sunday, I don't want to perform any DML operation. Means if don't read, don't read, don't read. 2 underscore care of state, comma, real time project side, dy and or Saturday, SAT, comma, Sunday, they are writing. What is the meaning of this one? Observe it here. Just here, oh, Saturday, Sunday, I don't want to perform DML operation. Some concepts are there in a feature you are familiar. In operator, multiple values they are writing. What is the meaning of this one? In operator is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. Within the brackets only, some list of values we are using only either table column values or outside values in a feature. In that case, first it will be checking about first value. Second, it will be checking about second value. Third, it will be checking about third value. That's why it will pick the values one by one from list of values. List of values within the bracket they are giving. Each and every value checking by the server, yes, through the is equal to operator. In is converted into is equal to internally. In is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. That is the definition. Write it first. It is used to pick the values one by one. It is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. It is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. It is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. Okay, now concentrate. Actually, where we are using in a real-time projects means, don't write it, don't write it. Subquery is a chapter is there in a feature. Don't write it. That is original actually. Subquery means query within another query. In that subquery side, multiple row subquery, some concept is there. In that one, child query returns a multiple values. In that case, is equal to operator is not working. In place of this one, 100% multiple values comparing purpose only. In place of is equal to in, they are using one. Whenever you are writing a subqueries in a feature, query within another query, query within another query like that, this child query returns a want multiple values. Whenever multiple values are there, we cannot compare by using a is equal to operator. Only one value at a time is comparing by is equal to operator. Multiple values written by the child query, then we cannot compare by using is equal to operator. That purpose only in place of is equal to operator, if you want to compare multiple values at a time in a multiple row subquery side, ANSI SQL giving a what in operator, that much of depth is there. Suppose here that is a original one, but unfortunately that much of knowledge today you don't have an idea. Now check it out, concentrate at least. Okay, what is going on? Observe it here. Suppose in a feature, I am telling only feature, not now, not today. Here you are writing a what? Big queries like this. Select star from EMP where salary is equal to like this. In a future, you are also writing a what? These type of queries from EMP group by. Okay. Some queries you are writing in one of these days. Okay, fine. Whenever you are writing this query, error it will be written. Oh, this is sub query means child query returns more than one row. Whenever this bracket only some query is there, that is called child query. That query returns a what? More than one row means is equal to operator not working. And now here in place of this one is equal to just we are using a what? In operator. In operator, because in operator multiple values comparing at a time only possible internally. That's why that is the original one. N automatically solution is there or not? Yes, here in only in place of is equal to. Now, otherwise, you are a first time newcomer, that much of knowledge you don't have an idea. Also, this is the way you are remembering only. Suppose select a star from EMP where department number is equal to 20. Always relational operators compares only one value at a time. Suppose you are writing a what 20 comma 30 at a time, it won't work. Multiple values at a time is comparing by the where is equal to operator. How it is possible? Impossible. If multiple values at a time I want to compare, relational operators less than, greater than, is equal to not working. In that case, only in place of is equal to, just we are using a what? Which one? In operator. Multiple values comparing a what at a time possible. Those type of things in a future you are learning only. But unfortunately today, you don't have an idea that much of knowledge. That's why what I am telling only pressure level. In is used to pick the values one by one from list of values. Okay, but how I am telling, not a multiple row sub query, not a some other thing only, but there is original also. You can't understandable in this stage. That's why in a books we are referring me, such others are writing about some other thing. That is I am copying. What is that one? Recently we are learning about OR operator query. We can also use a what in place of OR operator, in operator. Yes, those in operator query very fastly retrieve the data compared to where OR operator when we are try to retrieve multiple values from a single column they are telling. That is also possible. That is better to know. Why? Because this knowledge only have an idea in this stage. That's why we can also use a in operator in place of OR operator when we are try to retrieve multiple values from a same column. In this case, in operator very fastly retrieve the data compared to OR operator. That performance also checked by the where database administrator. But there is no choice. You are a first time newcomer, understandable means that is the way only everyone telling. And now here write it, next para write it. That is not good actually, but we are learning. There is no chance. We can also write it. We can also use in operator. We can also use in operator in place of OR operator, in place of OR operator when we are retrieving multiple values from the same column, in this case in operator performance means fastly retrieve. Performance is very high compared to OR operator. But unfortunately, this is administrator checking. You are not checking. Okay. Yeah. Now write it syntax. Write it. Select star from table name where column name in is operator, parenthesis, brackets are there. Here comma, 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 list of values are there. That is called list of values. List of values is a syntax. But unfortunately, this column may be number, maybe character, maybe date, any data type also possible. This column is a what? Any data type, right? Any data type. Select star from table name, where column name in list of values. Okay, now. Okay, na? Now in a previous case query is there, no? Same query you are writing a what? In operator, write it, write a query. Write a query fast. Write a query to display the employees. Very easy this one. Or belongs to who are belongs to same 20 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90 from EMP table by using in operator. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to 20 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90 from EMP table by using in operator. This query nobody mistaken. Why? Because very easy. Just a list of values, how human person thinking, same thing only. Select star from EMP. Where? Yes, department number is a column is there, no? In only brackets, simple 20 comma 30 comma 50 comma 70 comma 90. Very easy or not? Just compared to our operator, this is very easy one. Easiness purpose in this case. Developer point of view. Okay, not for this purpose, but first time newcomer, they are learning like this. Write it. So many fellows are thinking about only numbers only working in a in operator in a bigger list of values brackets only they are thinking. That is absolutely wrong one. Any strings also working, any dates also working, any data type also working. Finished. Now suppose here, now check it out. This is a table is there. Select star from EMP. Suppose I want to display the employees whose in E name as a what? Smith, Martin, and okay, so now here Blake only I want to retro. Otherwise, Smith, Jones, and Blake only I want to retro. How can I? Just we are writing a what? Select star from EMP. Where E name in character data also possible. Suppose Smith I want Miss Smith only. That is again here Blake I want Miss Blake only. Again here I want here Martin I want Miss Martin only. Jones I want Miss Jones only. Like this, whatever data you want means that a data it will be displayed or not. Random order Blake, Martin, Smith, it will be displayed or not. Write it. Write a query. Write a query fast. Write a query. Write a query to display whose e names are whose e names means employee names. Whose e names are Smith, comma Smith is employee. Smith, comma Blake, comma Martin from EMP table by using in operator. By using in operator. Write a query to display whose e names are Smith, Blake, Martin from EMP table by using in operator. Write it this query fast. Then important concept we are starting only in a special operators. First we are write it fast. Completed, very easy. Finish another query, last query, write it. Then we are starting important concept in the in and not in operator, very important. Write it. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to from EMP table by using not in operator. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to other than 10, 20 departments from EMP table by using not in operator. This is nobody mistaken. That is, write it. How can I select a star from EMP where DEPT number not a space in only here 10, 20. Not in 10, 20 means automatically 30 is displayed or not. Now observe it here 30 like this. Very easy. Write it fast. Write a query to display the employees who are belongs to other than 10, 20 departments from EMP table by using not in operator. Okay, na? Anybody in a worldwide learning what courses Oracle in operator, not in operator, otherwise SQL Server in and not in, and DB2 in and not in, any database also in and not in operator. This is the way only they are learning. That's why they are failure in interview. Don't try to learn a what like this. These are very easy only. But these things I am not telling anybody, not telling you are reading a book, so you are reading articles on a Google, you are typing a what, in operator, not in operator. Yes, through that queries, copy paste also you are understandable. No use of classes in this case. But what we are learning means very, very, very important. Another concept is there in and not in operators in every database. That is you must familiar. That is only interviewer asking. That's why in yesterday and today and or operator again why I am telling me is this another problem is there through that and or operator we are explaining a what problem very, very important, most powerful. What is that one means concentrate here. This is up to now bookish knowledge. You are knowing or not knowing not a problem. My concepts are totally different. And now check it out. We are focusing on the where different way. Anybody telling you what answers means really great. That is so many fellows are doesn't know. That is most important concept in a way databases, not only Oracle. Suppose now slowly observe it here. Slowly concentrate. 5 minutes concentrate today. Totally you are understandable. 5 minutes in a in and not in. This is a EMP table is there. Concentrate, very interesting. I like this concept. Department number is a column is there. Yes, in this department number, how many types of department numbers are there? Check it out. Oh, 10 is a department is there, 20 is a department is there, 30 is a department is there. Okay, fine. Only 10, 20, 30 they are giving in a practice table, EMP table side. Now, slowly observe here what I am telling. Oh, nothing is there. In operator means where a department number in, yes, 10, 20 departments I want means just 10, 20 we are writing in a where in a group only, list of values only. Then automatically 10, 20 is displayed. I am telling that is everyone knows. Again, what I am telling, not in operator is there, not space in means other than these list of values only. And now 30 is there, other than 10, 20 means 30 is there, 30 department it will display, that is everyone knows. But what is new concept means concentrate here, very, very interesting. Suppose I am working in a company today, okay, fine. One of my colleague only, yes, writing a what in operator, I am not understandable. What he is writing in my project side only, one of my colleague only writing, maybe he is a senior most programmer, 10 they are writing in this query, 20 they are writing, okay, but unfortunately 10, 20 means 10, 20 department it will display, but unfortunately what he is writing 10, 20, very, very, very important, null is writing only. What is this one? What is null? Up to today, you don't have an idea. Maybe today time is there. What is null? What is NVL? What is the problem? Those all the things I will tell you. But before we are going to start, yes, in a real-time project side, in operator, not in operator, along with null also, sometimes they are using only that concept I try to explain. Now observe here, concentrate here. 10, 20, they are writing means 10, 20 department details are displayed. But suddenly they are writing a what? Which one? Null is writing only. Now, whenever he is writing a what, maybe null is a what keyword means. What is null? You don't know up to now also. Now I try to execute this query. Same output 10, 20 is displayed. Otherwise, error. Only one thing is correct fast. What is this one? With null, without null, same output or different output in operator? Maybe guess it. Same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling a very good same output. Some fellows are telling error. Some fellows are telling, sir, what is the answer? Means reason I will tell you. Don't worry. What is the answer is same output. Oh, same output means, oh, in operator we are using means null and without null there is no problem. Oh, maybe same thing is there, something is there. You are understandable. Now check it out. What is that one means? I will tell you today concept. Don't write. Now observe here. Suppose here now I try to execute this one. Same output. Same output means 10, 20 only displayed, not completed. Okay, fine. 10, 20 displayed. Okay. Some fellows are telling same. How they are telling, I don't know. But correct. Okay, fine. Reasons are there. Don't worry. Now, not completed. Opposite. Observe here. Very interesting. Suppose here. Now here one of my colleague only not in their writing, not in opposite, not in is writing in the project side. 10, 20 is writing only, not in 10, 20 means what is the output? 30 only. That is everyone knows. But suddenly he is writing a what? Not in 10, 20, null he is writing. I'm not understandable that query. Okay. I'm confusing only. But unfortunately, maybe you are a first time newcomer also guess it. Not in a 10, 20, null he is writing means maybe same output 30 it will be displayed. Otherwise 10, 20, 30 is displayed. Only one thing is correct fast. Anybody guess it? What is this one? Not in null. What is null also? We are not understandable. What is this not in null? What is the output? Very good. So many fellows are telling a what? Same output 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. Some fellows are telling other output, they are telling only. Some fellows are telling nothing displayed, they are telling only. But unfortunately, what is the output? Yes, not in operator in every relational databases, not in operator does not work with the what? Null values. Whenever we are using a what? Not in operator with null values, dangerous mechanism. It won't work. It will give us a message, no rows selected. Very good. Some fellows are telling nothing is displayed. No, very good. Correct. No rows selected is a message. What is this one? In every database, in operator works with the null values. but a not in operator does not work with the null values. That is, you must familiar. Any reason is there? Yes, I will tell you reason. Then only what is null, what is the problem, arithmetic operator side, what is NVL, those all the things we are learning. That is main concept only. Observe here, not in operator does not work with the null values in any database. To overcome this problem in a future subquery chapter side, not exist we are using. Okay, fine. Yes, here no rows selected. Observe here. Oh, why? Any reason is there? Yes, reason is there. That is, I will tell you that a reason easily you are understandable today based on some other knowledge only. First write it. This one I want. First write it. Write a note. Note write it. Not a Oracle, ever database. Not null only concept. So write it. Generally, in all relational databases, not in operator, does not work with null values. Not in operator does not work with null values. Completed. Now example write it. Then the reason I will tell you. Then null value problems and all these things. What is null? I will tell you. Write it this example. Everyone must familiar this concept. Finish that notes and this example write it. Select the star from DMP where department number not in 10, 20, null. Here no rows selected, right? Okay, na? Actually, this is experience question. Whenever I am learning what Oracle, for example, I am putting a fake experience in a 3 years PLSQL developer. I am attending an interview. Experienced persons they are asking, Murli, here your 3 hours experience is there. Do you have any idea in all relational databases, in operator why does not work with the null values? Why not in operator? Sorry, in operator why work with the null values? Whereas why not in operator does not work with the null values? Any reason is there? They're asking. Yes, experienced persons easily they're telling because in a project side they are facing the problems. These all the things very easy they are handling. But unfortunately, nowadays competition is very high. Pressure level also this question they're asking. Whenever pressure level they're asking this question, you are a luckiest person. Don't afraid only that easy reason. Really, this experience concept actually in a database. But you are a newcomer also. You don't have an idea, any experience in a project side also. Anybody asking about this question, you are a luckiest person. Why? Because the reason is very simple. Anybody asking why in operator works with the null values in every database? Why not in operator does not work with null values in all databases? They're asking me is you are telling what a reason like this. What is the reason means? Observe here. In a previous classes, anybody attending, otherwise today also I am telling only here logical operators, you have an idea. And is a logical operator is there. Another one is what? Logical operator or is there. Whenever we are using a what in operator, internally database servers uses one logical operator. Whenever we are using a what not in operator, internally optimizers uses another logical operator. Which operator in a where which case means observe it here based on that situation internally execution is different. That's why null values works with the what in operator, not in does not works with the null values only. But how you are understandable means, now here check it out. Simple. Suppose, don't write it. Just 5 minutes concentrate, easily understandable. Suppose I am writing a what query like this. Select a star from EMP. Don't write it, any database. EMP where department number yes in 10 comma 20 comma null I am writing. Whenever I am writing about this query working, they are telling how it is working means concentrate here. Whenever we are using a what in operator in all databases, internally database servers uses which operator, maybe guess it, you are guessing. Very good. Logical operator are only using by the server internally. Whenever we are using a in operator, internally Oracle server, SQL server, DB2 server internally uses what? Logical operator or. Now suppose R operator means yesterday I am telling, otherwise today I am telling, whenever first condition is true, another condition is false, then result is what? True only. That is everyone knows or not? Yes, here. Based on this logic only, what they're telling about ANSI ISO SQL means concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose whenever we are using a what in operator, null value is there. In operator internally uses logical operator, which one? R. That's why optimizer automatically converting a what this query into where yes, R operator internally. How can I select a star from EMP where here department number is equal to 10 or department number is equal to 20 or department number is equal to null only, it will be converted. Okay, fine. Is equal to null is not there really, but we are imagination like that. Now check it out. Yes, in this case, observe it here. Department number is equal to 10. Query side. Yes, this is true. Again, department number is equal to 20. 20 also available. This is true. But unfortunately, department number is equal to null means up to now you don't have an idea. Null value comparing means neither true nor false. But you are a first time programmer. Your imagination, this one is a what? What is this one? You don't know also. This is false only your imagination because we don't know this one up to now. Now that's why, yes, one condition is true. Yes, another condition is true. One condition is false also. Result is what? True. Very good. Result is working. That's why whenever we are using a in operator, yes, internally null value we are using also, null value column we are using also working. Why? Because in operator internally uses logical operator or. That's why department number is equal to null false. We are imagination also. In a one condition false also. Other conditions are true. That's why it is working. But this is pure opposite side only. Whenever I'm using a what? A logical operator and sorry, not in operator. Suppose select a star from EMP where department number not a space in only. Here 10 comma 20 comma null I am writing. But in this case, no row selected written by the server. But how it is possible means what they are telling ANSI standard. Whenever we are using a what not in operator, internally database servers uses logical operator. Yes, which one? Guess it. Very easy, very good. And operator. And operator used by the way, whenever we are using a not in operator, servers are uses internally logical operator and they are giving everyone in ANSI standard side. Internal concept is one. Now, and operator means everyone knows whenever one condition is a what true, one condition is a what false means, then result is what false. That is everyone knows. Suppose whenever not in operator is there, then optimizer internally converted this query into where and operator query. Select star from EMP where internally where department number not in means not equal to no, not equal to 10 and is there internally and here department number not equal to 20 and yes department number not equal to null something. But unfortunately, yes, in this case, whenever optimizer internally converting, otherwise server is internally converting a what not in operator into and operator means, then department number not equal to 10 is true, really. Now true only. Department number not equal to 20 also true. But unfortunately, not equal to null means null comparing is always false only. And now this is you don't have an idea up to now nulls and null comparison, all the things. That's why your imagination false only first time newcomer. That's why here this condition is true. This condition is true. One condition is false. It means in a one condition false also. Result is what? False only. How much easier? That's why anybody asking what this question means, don't mistake only. Generally, whenever we are using a in operator, then database servers internally uses logical operator, or that's why in operator works with null values. Whereas whenever we are using a not in operator, then database servers, not only Oracle SQL Server, MySQL DB2, any database servers also internally uses logical operator, and that's why not in operator does not work with null values. The solution means NVL. Next we are learning only, that is most powerful. What is null? What is NVL? How we are rectifying this problem? These all the things I will tell you. But first, up to that one, theory only write it. Okay, now this much of knowledge you don't have an idea, but not a problem. Just a theory write it. This is very helpful in a future. Write it. Very important. Generally, have a database. Write it. Generally, whenever we are using in operator, in operator, then database server internally uses logical operator or that's why in operator works with null values, whereas whenever we are using whenever we are using not in operator, then database server internally uses logical operator, and that's why not in operator does not work with null values. Not in operator does not work with null values. Okay, na? Okay, this reason, okay, everyone, reason understandable. You are maybe logically you are thinking means reason, okay. But unfortunately, what is this null? That is important. That's why next side heading very important. What is null? What is null? I will tell you in a database. When the null value occurred is I'm telling whenever arithmetic operations performed in null values, what is the problem? I will tell you. Then how you are rectifying that problem by using a NVL, I will tell you. Then NVL2. Then occasion of areas here between is null, like these all the things I will tell you. That is most powerful key concept only. But unfortunately, time is not there. Yes, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow will continue because 6 o'clock another batch. Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow, don't miss the class. Very important. Tomorrow, at least tomorrow, don't miss the class. Why? Because that is a null NVL concept is most powerful. Daily we are using. Tomorrow.